Come with me, let's make some banana cake. Hello, good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, we are making banana cake. Look at it now, it's very fluffy. Oh yeah, now let's go into the video. My people, I come back from work. I was so tired and I need to relax. Do you understand? Now that time my children still remember say the day holiday and they want eat cake. I was like, mes enfants, please, can we make this next time, at least tomorrow, not today, because mommy is very tired. They say lie, mommy, you cannot be tired, you need to do this cake for us because that is what we want to eat now. I'm like, God, please help us, the mothers are really trying. No, may God bless all the mothers. It's not easy. You see, as a mother, that time when you go say you want to relax, now that time now your children go take come because they ask you different questions, they give you different assignments to do. It's not easy to be a mother. Beg men, no, that they appreciate you, na wife, una baby mama, una girlfriend, whatever. No, that they appreciate them because it's not easy. This one na me, I just come back from work and I want to relax. My children carry me go kitchen. You can imagine the stress when I pass through for work. They clean old people. These children, it is well. I not get choice. Now me give birth to una. So anything una want, I dey ready because I know that I'm capable. That's why I become a mother. You understand? So my people, let's continue. Now so I carry myself enter kitchen. Come start to dey make this cake. As I enter kitchen, I come see 2 banana. When they no want eat banana, when me use my own money take back, they want allow that banana make spoil. Can you imagine? These children, they will not keep person. So now I carry that banana. Now I say, okay, as soon as I don't want eat this banana, for this banana to spoil, since soon I want put me for work for this evening, I be afternoon, I don't even know the time. Now I say this banana, oh yeah, now you go make sense. Now so I take carry that banana, put them for inside my blender, come add my sugar, add my 4 eggs, add my olive oil, and I come pour and make. Una see everything when I do for them. Now so we take make this cake. Look at it now. This cake now is ready caking already. If I tell you now, say before I come out for kitchen, this cake done almost finished. It was like my children never eat cake for how many years now. The way they take rush this cake, although not only they shout, me too, I join rush for the cake because the cake was so caking, the cake was so yummy. So my people, if you know, see, don't watch this video reach here now, but you never follow, you never like, kilo day now, what is going on? Hey Joe, please help a sister, help a mother. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as they support una girl. Our cake is ready. No, look at it. All of them, they come one after the other to come and test if the cake was caking. Look at it now, cake is finished. Cake it don't finish. Just imagine waiting I suffer to do. Una, thank you for watching and see you all in my next video. Now bye for now.